Hello YouTube, this video is sponsored by Quality.store. Quality.store is a smart home provider, and today they made our device available for us. So what device do you think we are going to review today? We just went through the Apple event and we watched all the beautiful stuff Apple released, and I'm so excited to show you the Apple Watch. Apple Watch, which one? There's orange, so I guess you know what I'm talking about. So let's get it. Here we have an Alpine Apple Watch, which means that it's purposely made to go to the mountain, hike. So if you are one of those people that wants to, I'm not going to speak again, I'm just going to open it. Alright, so when you open it, you see Alpine, Ocean, Trail. So depending on what you want to do, so inside here you can see that there is the design of some mountain. So if you want to trekking, you want to go right here, I'm going to bring all this back and I'm going to start with this. So there's a nice book, Alpine, Ocean, Trail, and the design and what you can do with it. We have it's made of titanium, the loop is very strong, you can charge it obviously. Side button for power, and then action button. That button allows you to do things like activating a specific action. You are able to backtrack, or you're able to create waypoints. So basically you can go back even when you lose connection, internet connection or cellular connection. The Apple Watch knows how to take you back to where you started using the same path that you used. And then here there is some additional paper. I don't know how Apple is going to maintain this carbon neutral stuff for 2030 or 2050 when they keep using so much paper. Okay, so I'm going to take all of this out of the way. So the bracelet, I'm just going to pull it. There is something small here, just pull it off and open. So it's an interesting choice that Apple decided to put this and that in two different cases. We used to just have this in the box of the Apple Watch, but now they have a separate box for it with its own design and everything. I can see that the orange is a little different, but hey, that's it. So the box is out. Just gonna pull the yeah, it's very nice. This is a little different than on the previous Apple Watch, but I think they are trying to save a lot and reuse stuff. This is how you move it. So you just pull it this way and you push it right there, and you're able to lock it in place. And that's it. You have a shorter one. Okay, I'm gonna move to the watch. So what is nice is the friction. The friction is really easy on this one. So just do like that and it's out. On the iPhone lately, it was a little harder to remove. I guess they don't want you to drop the iPhone, but if you drop this one, nothing is going to happen to it. Let's move this out of the way, right? You guys are too excited. Let's take our time. So what's here? Designed by Apple in California, and the location of the Apple campus, I guess. We're going to try that and see where it takes us. So yeah, the cable, it's a braided cable, just like the way we have on the iMac. And we're going to tackle our baby, the Apple Watch Ultra. It's interesting to see how the Apple Watch has evolved, and I'm just going to remove it right like that. It was wrapped it nicely, and I'm going to put it right here. Ooh, it's a nice one. Well, I must say, the Apple Watch Ultra is heavier. It's bigger, obviously. And this one is really scuffed, but hey, it's the holding. At the back, watch 49mm titanium and ceramic case. Wow, yeah. Sapphire crystal for this. So the ceramic is right here. And this part is made of aluminum. Okay, let's power it on. Alright, the beautiful thing is the watch just popped up the moment it came on, it popped up on my phone. So that's it again, simplicity in everything they do. I don't know how Apple does it. All right, it's set up. So that's it. Let me just unlock it. So the watch is set up. You can just use it. Okay. The action button initiates workout because that's what I chose. So yeah, that's it. Pretty set up. All right. So the Apple Watch Ultra, so big, right? I like the fact that Apple put the metal around the glass, because now what's gonna happen is when you hit something, you know, sometimes you are doing an exercise and you're actually on the floor, and with this one the glass touches the floor directly, so it's not as nice as when this is actually done this way. Very nice to have a bigger screen. I have a bigger screen. Yeah, it's great. If you want to make the siren ring, you hold the power button and you swipe siren so you can hear it. It makes multiple noise, and every time it's higher. Ooh. Please don't call my emergency contact. It has crash detection, fall detection. When you hit the water, it's going to start recording your exercise and dive, etc. It tells you, it's actually a dive computer on your wrist. Hi, I'm here and I'm going to give you my impression on the Apple Watch Ultra. First thing is, I love the orange color of the strap. However, I don't really like the fabric they used to make it. It feels strong, but it doesn't worth $100. Second thing is, this watch looks strong and the screen is very big. I can't tell if I like that or not. I definitely liked it before, because you can move your finger around and do a lot of stuff. But the second thing also is that it doesn't really look nice. I have a really thin wrist and a big hand, but I don't know, it doesn't really look nice like that. Yeah, but Kevin, at the same time, some people really can get very bulky and chunky watches. It's the style of some people, and I guess to push the battery that far, that Apple has to do and make the body as thick, and the sapphire crystal, the ceramic, everything, Apple would have to make some sacrifice. So maybe that's why the watch is a little bit. The battery is so big that they had to slap the watch on top. You can see there is a bumper, so they have to do it just like that. I think you are very right. This is not for people like me who like aesthetic before everything. It's not made for that. Exactly. You're supposed to dive, climb mountains, jump out of a plane, have accidents. Anyways, so that's my inputs about it. The buttons are really strong, and the ceramic really feels good as well. Or the titanium, I don't really know what. Ceramic under, titanium around it, and sapphire on top of it. I'm just waiting for the tall version where it will be made of enchanted uru, you know what I'm saying? Well, adamantium. Alright guys, so that was my input. Bye. Alright, that was Kevin. Let's continue. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. The best way to support this channel is to watch our video to the end. My name is Igor. This is Mr. Purple Tech, and I see you in the next one. Peace.